Hey guys, Aaron with Kodiak Vans once again for another wildly exciting video. Bet you can't wait. Anyway, let's go inside and take a look. I want to go over our electrical system in Van 1 and some things that are coming up, share with you. Let's head on into the shop here. There's Van 2 coming along. And there's the top to the surround seats in Van 2 right there. Here's Van 1. This is the one I want to show you what we did electrical wise. Come around to the back here. Alright, we're going to have to turn the light on because it's a little dark in here. There we go. Oh, need bright light. Yep, this is what we're working on next. Got our plumbing going on here, but right now, this is our Victron system I wanted to show you. So obviously we have our 3000 watt inverter charger. We've got everything dialed in from the distribution center right here. From the battery, which we have not hooked up yet here, this is a 300 amp hour battery. The cable back here goes behind this panel, comes around to our on-off switch basically. And then we come in through here, we go through our 400 amp fuse box, and it comes up to the distributor. I'm sorry, it winds up to the distributor here. And we've got our negative that comes down to our shunt. It's plugged into our monitoring system, powered to the distribution panel. This is our MPPT controller. Comes from the solar off the roof. We have it switched to a 40 amp switch, so we can just turn this off. The whole vehicle is set up to disconnect both the, I don't know if you can see it down there, the DC to DC charger is switched right here. Of course the MPPT is there, and then the main switch on the back side of this box. Everything is protected in loom. We will have a nice little bamboo panel here to hide all that nastiness there. This is of course our control panel. We haven't put in any fuses or anything because we're going to test the system, and we don't want any electrical going to the cords that we still have laying about, and it might touch metal and short something out. In any case, we have, if you can see back through there, right there, we have the ground mounted to the van, both from the Victron inverter charger and from the distribution box here. Shout out to Explorers Life, answered a few questions I had on some stuff. We are still missing a fuse here. It's coming in. We've got a few of them on order. I ran out. Let's see, what else? Of course, our smart charger from our battery from the van. You can see our battery there. It's all securely fastened. And then of course we have our shore power hooked up underneath here. We use a marine, a small marine 30 amp doohickey, which is hidden underneath the vehicle here. Makes it nice and secure there. These are awesome. I like these, and I really love this location. There we go, get on there. It's hard to do when you're underneath the van. Anyway, that's kind of it. Today we'll be working on plumbing, and we're actually working on all of our cabinets along here. Once we get those built, we're also working on the bed system that goes across here. We do have the mattress on order. At the same time, we're working on Van 2. This is the top of the bench that will go around Van 2. And then of course our electrical system in that one will be very similar, all Victron products, and we're going to mount all that in just right here. This one has two 200 amp hour batteries that we'll be putting in here. We've got a 32 gallon over the wheel well tank. We have a 33 gallon in Van 1, and we have both of them have 15 gallon holding tanks. As you saw in a previous video, we did the 3M insulation in Van 1. We did the Havelock wool in van 2. By the way, both of these will be for sale. We're just building them. We haven't actively marketed them or done anything like that. Okay, it's kind of bright. I think I can turn that off now. I'm in the shop. It's not too bad. Maybe we'll leave it on and turn it down. There we go. So yeah, making good progress, making good time, and follow along. We've got a lot of stuff we're going to be doing here in van 2. As I mentioned, we're going to be doing the platform bed that wraps around here. This one will get full cabinets all the way up and down. We will have the sink on this side. We're going to have the cooktop on this side. We're going to have a shower over there with the Thetford toilet I teased you about in the S-bar installation, which is right there in the back of the seat. And of course, you know, in van 1 we have just the whole platform bed going across here. We will have, I'll show you real quick, we just have this temporary held up so I could, you know, get all the wiring done. These little clips will go away and it gets bolted in with 80/20 bolts. We have a bulkhead that will come across here, and it will have bamboo sliders so that you can access the garage from inside, or this would be a nice little area for a dog bed, or just additional storage if you want to put a couple of coolers down here. This of course is the 33-gallon tank I mentioned. All of our stuff has the electronic valve release, so if you want to drain the tank or if you want to drain the gray water tanks, you can do that from the control center. All of them have 4-gallon hot water heaters. I think that's about all I want to tell you right now, so stay tuned. We'll have more information coming up on what's going on, but like I said, these are both for sale. If anybody's interested, just contact me below. Serious inquiries only, please. I don't have time to dick around. Did I say that? Sorry. Anyway, subscribe, like, hang in there. These are fun. I hope you're getting some enjoyment out of it anyway. Talk to you soon. See ya.